Hello everyone, myself Sivam Patel and currently I am doing my BTech degree in petroleum engineering. Here I have made one Python program that can predict the gas well performance. From this program, we can also solve one real life problem which is related to the petroleum industry. So now let me discuss the problem in the simple language. So here we have a problem statement. As we know that we are producing a gas from the subsurface rock and this is our well. So now what? We want to install the gas turbine power plant to generate the electricity, and for that we require the gas. So from this well we can also supply the gas to the gas turbine power plant, but this gas turbine power plant has some own requirement. The first requirement is that it require minimum 3 million cubic meter gas per day, and the second requirement is that do we able to produce this constant like a 3 million cubic meter gas up to 10 years, and we have a reserve that is 18.45 billion cubic meter in this reservoir. So now the challenge or the problem is that do we able to produce the 3 million cubic meter gas per day up to 10 year, like up to 10 year, do we able to maintain the constant flow rate or not? So that is our problem. Now let me run this program. So this Python program can give you the answer of the our problem. So here our program is running, and so this is a from this on this is the graph between the here and the flow rate. So here we can see that and this green line which is represent the field flow rate in the million cubic meter. So here we can see that more than 10 years we are able to maintain the constant flow rate that is nearly around 3 million cubic meter. So and then after the 12 year, the flow rate will be decreased. The reason behind decrease and the reason behind the decrease in the flow rate we can understand from this second graph. So in this graph it is between the pressure and the year. So this blue line which is represent the reservoir pressure. So as the times go, the reservoir pressure is decreased, and due to decline in the reservoir pressure, the flow rate will be decreased. So the conclusion of our problem is that we are able to maintain the constant flow rate more than that is a 3 million cubic meter more than 10 years. So we can go for to install the gas turbine power plant.